Oh, thirsty with knowledge and discipline. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, darling.
Yeah, fine, thank you, sir. How are you too?
I'm fine too. Sit down now.
Thank you, sir.
So today we are going to continue with our topic, which is circulatory system, but our subject is science. We are going to see circulatory system. Circulatory system. So we have discussed about the circulatory system, which we have seen that it is made up with three components, which is blood system, heart, and blood vessels. So now today let us start with one component after another. We are going to start with blood. So as you know, blood is a red pigment or red fluid which forms or flow in our bodies. All living things have blood which flow in their bodies. So, who can mention to us the component of blood now? Who can state any component which you know about blood? Mr. Samuel? It has blood cells, platelets, and the plasma. Clap hands for Samuel now. That is good, it's correct. So blood is made up with blood cells, plasma, and platelets, and the platelets. So always blood is red now because it has red pigment which is called hemoglobin. So when we say or when we discuss about blood cells, there is different blood cells which found in our body. One among of those components which found in blood cells is red blood cells. Who can state the rest? Who can state the rest? Because you have said, myself I have stated that one component which found in the blood cells is red blood cells. Hey, you Paulo.
White blood cells.
White blood cells and the platelets. So that made three components or three parts which made blood cells in our body. So this blood cells now, it has three components, which is discussing about the circulatory system. Let us use this one so as to identify the blood cells which found in the circulatory system. So this is the human being. It's the human being as we see here. We have said the circulatory system is made up with heart, blood vessels, and also blood, which is circulated in our bodies. Now, we have discussed already about blood cells, which we have said is made up with three components, which is the red blood cells, white blood cells, and the platelets. But these three components now, they have their own functions in our bodies. So, what are the functions of red blood cells? And who can identify for us the red blood cells? So the function of blood cells, what is the function of red blood cells? The red blood cells is this one. What is the function of it? Jovan?
Oxygen transpiration.
Is Oxy is to transport oxygen in our bodies because it has a red pigment which is called hemoglobin, which its function is to transport that oxygen in our body. So clap hands for Jovan.